welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious pizza dough from scratch. So, grab your aprons, and let's get started. First, we have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. It enhances the flavor of the dough, making it taste even better. Moving on, we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This will add a rich and slightly nutty flavor to our dough. We'll need 3/4 cups of warm water. The warm water activates the yeast and helps the dough to rise. Now, let's add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast and mix all ingredients. Dough become fluffy and soft. Now, cover dough with kitchen towel. Your homemade pizza dough ready to be transformed into a mouth-watering pizza. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.